Okay, so I got this motor on a engine hoist. It is a small block Ford. It is a mystery motor. I don't quite know exactly what's been done to this thing. I did notice that it has a little bit of rust in there. Not sure why. I feel like the head gasket was bad on that cylinder. I guess you could pull the plug and see if there's water getting in there, but it was in a, supposedly this was in a Fox body drag car, and yeah, I don't know anything about it, no details, but it was built by some country boys up in the mountains, up in the Tennessee, North Carolina area. And it probably is a good motor, but it just didn't, it's got solid lifters in it, and I don't want to be, I'm not racing. I'm not trying to win the world. You know, I don't, that's very old school stuff. It's not really necessary. And with the oil that most places carry today, that's really not what you want. So I got it out of here, and I didn't pull the trans. I was going to pull the trans, but I figured, you know, I could get this out of here without doing all that. When I go to put the new motor back in, I'll loosen the trans from underneath and get it out of the way. Anyways, sorry about that. Yeah, so plans. Clean the engine bay up. Get everything else that's mounted, get it removed, and start sanding, DAing, hand sanding, and get this thing where it's really nice. And that way, when I put my crate motor in here, she'll look nice and clean and tidy. Now, I did some fabrication last time I was in here with this. I put a bigger radiator, so somebody had cut right here before, so I finished doing their job, and I didn't really get this exactly how I wanted it. So I'm probably gonna go and finish this off and make it real nice, make it look good the best I can, or even mock up something completely different to make it super easy to put a radiator in. So I might actually brainstorm on some stuff like that. But yeah, we'll get it nice and clean. Here she sits, nice and clean. God, what a beautiful motor. I think I'm going to switch over the valve covers, but at this point I might just run the blueprints just for a while. I just want to get this car running, so I'm not going to do anything crazy. Just want to get this in the car, get it hooked up, get it broken in, and drive the car a little bit. Get some other things done on the car where I can drive it. That's really the main thing right now. Right, Spike? He doesn't know. Whoa, that's my garage dog. He's not house trained, so he only goes inside when it's extremely hot outside. But yep, so the seats I was gonna buy for this thing, the deal fell through. I'm actually traveling to Virginia this coming up week, and yeah, it's not gonna happen. The guy's not gonna be home. He's going to Mustang week, which is a total bummer because those seats will be perfect for this car. However, I'll just keep looking. I'll keep on the hunt. Yeah, this is all I got going on right now. It's pretty simple. Motor out, new motor waiting. Engine bay needs to be cleaned and sanded. I don't know if I'll get to it this week because of the other plans that I have for this weekend. And then tomorrow I got to help somebody with their vehicle. They have They're having some issues with their car, so I'm gonna try to help them fix it. So, but anyways, that's it. I didn't get the subscribers I wanted, so I didn't go out and buy a tripod. I didn't go buy cameras. But maybe I should do that anyways, right? Maybe it's my quality of videos that suck so bad that people don't subscribe to my channel. Maybe, just maybe, it's my fault. All right, well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. If you are subscribed, thank you for subscribing. And have a good weekend.